Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to switch off Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Turning off a smartphone can help conserve battery life, especially if the device is not going to be used for an extended period. And by shutting down the device, it prevents unnecessary background processes and reduces power consumption. So, how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, please long press power button basically, and then you can click on power off option. Okay, and then for the second step, open control center on your device. And then here you can click on power icon, and then press power off option. Okay, and then for the last step, it is by activating accessibility button. Okay, open please settings menu on your device. After that, please scroll down. And then here you can select accessibility menu. Well, and then in this page, you can select interaction and dexterity menu. And then you can activate assistant menu by pressing this button. And then click allow. Well, after that, you can tap on assistant menu icon here. And then you can press on this icon. So, after that, select power off option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to switch off Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.